Thanks to Moen's latest innovation in Roman tub valve technology, plumbers can now enjoy fast, easy installation, regardless of tub layout or plumbing system. Our first demonstration features CC connections in a thick deck installation. Moen's new Roman tub valves will accommodate up to 4 1/4 inch total deck thickness. Mark and drill two 1½ inch diameter holes in the deck for the valve bodies and a 1 3/8 inch hole for the spout shank. Each hole should be no closer than 5 inches apart on center. Allow no more than 6 inches from the inside edge of the tub to the center line of the hole for the spout shank. Leave at least 2 1/8 inches from the edge of the tub to provide clearance for the trim. Use the notch in the spout washer as a template and drill a 3/16 inch diameter hole in front of the center hole where the spout will be installed. This lets the spout lock into the deck when the trim is installed, so align it perpendicular to the edge of the tub. Thread the mounting nut onto the hot valve body, then drop the washer onto the grooves, points facing up. From below deck, install the valve up through the hole in the deck. Place the mounting nut on top of the valve with the large step facing downwards. Thread the nut down till it stops on the ledge. This takes the guesswork out of how high to position the valve when it's installed. Repeat for the cold side. The valve should be positioned so the short legs face the spout shank. The long legs must attach to the water supply lines. Secure the valves with the bottom mounting nuts. Hand tighten and snug with channel locks. Make sure the O-ring is in place on the spout shank and insert the shank into the housing just past the notches on top. Align the flats on the shank with the notches on the housing. Thread the mounting nut onto the housing and drop the washer into the grooves. From the bottom, slip the shank through the hole in the deck. Then secure the spout shank to the housing by inserting the tabs of the retaining clip into the notches on the housing. Place the mounting nut on top of the shank housing with a step facing downward. Thread the top mounting nut until it bottoms out on the retaining clip. Align the notch in the top mounting nut over the 3/16 inch hole drilled earlier. Hand tighten the bottom mounting nut, then snug with channel locks. Make the final height adjustment for the rough end by pulling the shank up to its highest position. The height will be adjusted when the spout is installed later. No cutting, no guesswork, no special tools. For convenience, a test plug is also included to make it easy to pressure test the system. Moen's Roman tub valves are also supplied with fitted dust caps for protection during the remainder of the construction project. Once you've measured, cut, and prepped the copper fittings between the valves and the spout shank, and between the valves and the water supply, Moen's Roman tub valves can be installed in less than 30 minutes. Later, after the tile is completed, the Roman tub trim of choice is easy to install. The spout shank needs to be at least 1 3/8 inch above the finished deck. It can easily be adjusted by sliding up or down to the required height. Lock into place using a 6 inch by 3/8 inch square drive socket extension. Tighten the expansion nut located inside the spout shank. For this demonstration, we've selected Kingsley in antique bronze. Install the roll pin into the spout and secure the spout onto the shank with a set screw. Thread the escutcheon adjusters into the valves, attach the handles, and you're done. Because our Roman tub valve is an M-packed design, all Moen and show house trim are compatible with this new valve technology. So if homeowners choose to change to another Moen or show house style in the future, there's no need to go below the deck to make the switch. There's a reason why Moen is the #1 faucet brand in North America, trusted by more professionals and consumers alike, and backed by our limited lifetime warranty. Moen, buy it for looks, buy it for life.